I just purchased this on Amazon. This is the HotelSpa bell-shaped design, 5-inch, um, 5-inch face, uh, shower head with 7 settings. I just installed it. It took me 2 seconds. You put your plumber's tape on the right here, and then you twist it on. No tools required. Fits any standard shower arm, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So you get 7 settings, okay? You get rainfall, pulse massage, mist, rain massage combination, rain mist combination, mist massage combination, and water saver. So this is how you change the thing right here, the lever. And you push it. See? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. I can't wait to use this. That's the pulse massage jet. Isn't that something? Look at that. Easy to adjust where you want it to go. Just, move the head like that. So that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. And the last one is water saver. 7. Pick it up. HotelSpa 5-inch shower head, bell-shaped design, chrome finish, rub clean jets that are rubberized for easy clean. 7 settings, 3 zones. Pick it up. It's on Amazon. Of course. Wonderful. Can't wait to use it.